This website is called Temu, and right after joining on this website, you'll be able to get this amazing offer of $100 coupon. And not just $100 coupon, you have to look at the left side on the top of this page and see how much people are making every second, and they got paid instantly. This person earned $600, and this one received $30,000 just from this platform. You can see many people just making a lot of money every single time on this platform. All of these are payments that these people are receiving from this website right now. So you can see how legit this platform is, and you can go ahead and see how much you're just going to earn from this website. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Hans David. I talk about side hustles and how to make money online. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So this website is called Temu. Temu is a marketplace just like Alibaba or Amazon. It was launched last year 2022, and Temu is giving and is paying a lot of money to different people who are joining on this platform as a one way or another to attract different customers, to attract different people to come and join on this platform. This is like the best marketing strategy that this website uses to get a lot of customers. That's the reason they're paying a lot of money to different people around the world so that they can join on this website, which is called Temu. So let's go together and join on this platform to see all the opportunity that this platform offers. You have to go to temu.com, then join on the platform, which takes like 1 minute, and click right here, sign in or register. Then you'll be needed to write your email or your phone number, then password. You have to write here your password, then you have to click register. Now you're officially user of Temu. It usually takes 1 minute or 2 minutes for you to join on this platform, which after joining on this platform, you'll be able to get $100 coupon, but also there are too many opportunities for you to earn more than $1,000 on this platform, up to $10,000 on monthly basis. So it's very easy to join on this platform. Let's go to our next step. I'm going to show you how you can get free $100 coupon, but also I'm going to show you how you can start making up to $10,000 on monthly basis just by joining on this platform. But before going further and see how we're going to get this $100 coupon for free, let's see how to unlock more ways for you to earn on Temu. There are a lot of ways that you can make money on Temu, and you can make money through affiliate programs. Let's say that you invite different people from your social media and you invite them to join on Temu, you're just going to get commission. Many people are making up to $1,000 just by inviting people who are coming and join on Temu. And if any person from your traffic source make a purchase on Temu, you're just going to get commission. This is a reason that I recommend you to join on this platform, because the commission that this platform is giving out is a lot of money. It's a very high commission comparing to other platforms. And as I told you before, they are doing this for them to get a lot of customers. That's the reason they're paying crazy amount of money as commission to anybody who convinces people to join on this platform and make purchases. And the other way for you to start making money on this platform is very easy. It's for you to become influencer, and I've seen a lot of people making a decent amount of money just by talking about different products on Temu. They're talking about the different things that are happening on Temu, and they get paid decent amount of money. So it's very easy. You can start talking about Temu on your social media. It can be TikTok, it can be Instagram or YouTube, and you can start making money just by doing that. People are making more than 100K just by doing so. So you have to go ahead and try this. So let's talk about this free coupon on Temu. This free coupon will help you to save a lot of money on every purchase that you do on Temu. Let's say that you buy different products on Temu which reach up to $200. So you have to pay $200 just after buying different products on Temu, and with this coupon you'll get discount of $100. So instead of you buying for more than $200, you're just going to buy all these products just by $100 because you just got this discount of $100. I have been doing a lot of purchases, and it's not easy to get this kind of discount because you're just going to get 100 discount, which is a lot of money. And it's really not easy for you to get any company, or it's really not easy for you to get any marketplace which you get discount like this. But it was too bad for me because I'm currently living in Africa, so it was really not easy for me to get this coupon. This website is now not available in Africa, so it's really not easy. If you're from Africa, you really cannot get this coupon. but you can join on this platform. You can see a lot of things on this platform, but you really cannot get any coupon. But if you are from USA or Europe, you are able to get this coupon for free. But also, if you really cannot find any coupon, I'm going to show you this trick for you to get this coupon and to get free discount on this website. So for you to get this coupon for free, you have to go to this website, which is called UFO coupon. Then you need to click here Temu coupons, and as you can see here, create 100 discounts on all items, and you need to click here unlock code. You need to click there. Then you will have to answer a few questions that are available on this platform. After that, you will be able to unlock this code that you're just going to use on Temu platform for you to get discount. Sometimes you can join on this platform, but you really cannot be able to find this coupon code. So for you to get these coupon codes, you need to go to this website. As I told you right now, you need to go to this website, which is called UFO coupons, and you have to answer different questions that can be available on that platform. I've seen different reviews about Temu. Many people were wondering how this platform is giving a lot of money to customers and how this platform is selling very cheapest product. Many people were asking about that, but I came to realize this website was launched last year, so it's still new. That's the reason they're doing this, for them to get a lot of customers, for them to get a lot of attention. So that's the reason they're doing this. So for you to be one of those people who will get benefit from Temu, it's better for you to hurry up and join on Temu and see all the ways for you to start making money on Temu. There are a lot of opportunity for you to start making money on Temu, but you can buy cheapest products on Temu comparing to other marketplaces. There are a lot of marketplaces right now which are selling high prices, and I compared Temu to other marketplaces like Alibaba or Amazon. I came to realize that Alibaba, they have these high prices more than Temu, but also Amazon. This is the best place for you to buy the cheapest products which have quality. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope that you're going to like my videos, but also you're just going to try this out to see how much you're just going to earn, because as I told you before, there are a lot of ways that you can make money on Temu, but also you can get discount and free $100 coupon on this platform. So you have to go ahead and try. I needed to try this, but it was really not easy for me to try this because of my current location. I'm in Africa, so it's really not easy for me to get this coupon. So if it was easier, I would have shown you how this works. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much. My name is David, and I hope to see you.